SANY Heavy Machinery, one of the largest and most advanced excavator, drilling rig and loader factory. The Chinese leader manufacturer is built from scratch in Lingan, Shanghai and Kunshan, Jiangsu at a cost of $599 million with a full production of 80,000 units per year. As heavy machinery manufacturer of new high-tech, SANY can make a medium-sized excavator of 22 tons in 20 minutes. Now let's see how SANY makes a moving machine out of steel plates. The steel plates are conveyed to plastic cutting by electrically conducted gas for accurate shaping. The specialized cutting torch is 4 times faster than the conventional cutting torch. After further processing, these cutting parts continue on their journey to welding workshop. Robot arms will take over the following job instead of manual hoisting, transferring and rotating. Workers are only responsible for starting programs. The cutting-edge welding plan will combine these plates into integrated undercarriage structure. When the welding process is finished, these structural parts will be transported to the painting station. It is a delicate job. Polishing, coating, drying, roughness inspection and actual finishing. All the steps must be finished precisely for perfect anti-corrosion. After every 10 minutes, all the relevant components will be sent to the final assembly line from the high intelligence warehouse. Quick in and out. No deviation will happen in this highly automatic supply system, and a brand new SANY excavator will be born on this line. Finally, let's enjoy the robot dance show. Actually, this is not a show. It's a strict test of power system, hydraulic system, and other functional systems to ensure no quality problems slip out of the gate. This is our trump card to defend our brand image. Miracle is not a miracle in SANY sometimes. How to organize all the intricate production lines orderly. Brain controls nerves and ECC controls all the production activities in SANY factory. The production data can be interchanged between control center and work site in a few milliseconds. Data management is important to the production of excavator, and that is the main job of ECC. SANY Heavy Machinery is an enterprise facing the future, and innovation is our future. We are endeavoring to develop remote-controlled excavators integrated with 5G technology. You can control a SANY excavator in a model cab with VR set from a long distance, which means this kind of excavator can be deployed into hazardous or life-threatening environments to save more lives. The responsibility for our society outweighs the interest of our enterprise, which is always our principle. Future is coming. One world, one SANY.